Hello everyone, how are you today? Have a nice day everyone. Today I will show you how to grow hanging bell peppers very simply. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. First, we need to plant the seedlings. After putting the chili seeds in the soil, I will use a little vitamin B1 water to spray evenly and leave the nursery pot in a cool place. Once the chili seeds have germinated after 5 days, we can start preparing the planting material. I used 5-liter bottles with the tops cut off and used them to mount on the wall. And don't forget to punch drainage holes in each bottle to avoid waterlogging. To keep the plants moist, I will use an automatic watering system, using a 2-liter bottle attached to the water line for each plant. After preparing the materials, we attach them to the wall. Isn't that great? During the soil preparation process, you should add organic fertilizer so that nutrients can help the plant grow roots quickly and healthily. And today I use vermicompost. Did you know that organic fertilizers provide long-term nutrition to plants and are also highly antibacterial and especially harmless to humans? With the automatic watering system, we do not need to water each plant. Just put water in the tank. The system will slowly supply water to the plant, helping the plant to have moisture longer. Once the plant is rooted and healthy, we will do the first care, such as fertilizing, weeding, adding water or soil to the plant. I will give each plant a certain amount of pellet fertilizer so that the fertilizer releases slowly, helping the plant absorb nutrients over a long period of time without wasting them. Remember to keep the plant moist by adding water to the 2-liter vase. When the plant has grown well for about 20 days, it is ready to bloom. This time is very important because the plant will produce many large, healthy flowers and will later produce the best fruit. So, we must pay attention. This time I will fertilize each plant just enough and water them so that the plants have enough energy to grow. This stage not only nourishes the plant itself, but also nourishes the flowers. Finally, the bell pepper plant bloomed after 1 month. The plant is big and has many flowers. At this time, the plant is very sensitive to weather, pests, and insects, so we have to take care of it. To avoid shock to the plant when fertilizing, I would choose pellet fertilizer for the plant. To repel pests, insects, and prevent mold on leaves and flowers, I will use 1 clove of garlic mixed with water and spray evenly on the plant. Garlic has many effects in promoting plant growth, especially during the flowering and fruiting stages. It's amazing. Bell peppers grown on bare walls for 2 months have given me many big and beautiful fruits with different colors. Now I can bring my family more interesting meals. Good luck with my idea. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.